Kita akan memulai lagi untuk sesi kedua masih bareng Tasya dan Lia. Nih spotnya keren banget tuh teman-teman. Di sini nih Kak Lia sudah ganti. Nih Kak Tasya nih udah ganti tuh. Kak Tasya lo. Kita akan sesi kedua bareng Kak Tasya. Yuk kita gaskan. Kali kita akan sesi dua. Nih Mas Kale sama Om Burhan, Kak Temi, dan ini kita akan sama Kak Tasya. Ini kita akan sesi dua. Mana Om? Bagus yang sini Om. Bagus yang sini. Sinarnya soal dari sana. Oke. Penyinaran tuh. Oh itu. Terang lihat sini Tasya. Oh keren kan. Oh nah ini Kak Tasya kita akan sesi dua. Oke. Bapak Bu.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement.
Kita akan foto ini sama Kak Lia. Kita akan ke atas ini spotnya yang tadi, tapi udah ganti wardrobe ini karena kita akan sesi dua. Ini cuacanya keren banget itu. Ini teman-teman itu. Om, halo dong Om. Oke. Nah ya, mau di mana sini? Oke ya, kita akan di sini. Ya, oke.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build-up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this.
Oke nih gua dari Tito nih, ada juga Kak Tasya. Kita udah mau sesi 2 ini, udah ganti wardrobe. Oke, kita akan lanjutkan lagi ke spot berikutnya. Nah ini tempatnya masih sama di Narakupu. Nah ini yuk kita akan lanjut lagi di sesi kedua.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.